This is the professor with WealthCampus.com, and we're here today to look at the ticker symbol IIVI. So IIVI has been enjoying a nice move and down here, and again another great earnings report and a bull flag, just a tremendous bull flag here. And again, you want to see very strong movement and volume in the pull, and that's certainly what we did see. It was almost a 6-point move, and then we saw the top of the bull flag is up here at 37.55, and then we have had 3 days of rest, and the 4-day EMA is 35.77, and we closed at 36.10. So we have tremendous volume down here, which is what we want to see. We've got a quality pattern here that we want to see, and the flagpole was made on tremendous volume. I like the high RSI personally, and if I jump out of this time frame to see, again, one of the things I like to do for my members is many of my members work full time, so I feel like my responsibility is to not only teach my members about market psychology and risk management, but also good technical analysis. And it's my responsibility to get my members into quality stocks. And I understand that my members sometimes have meetings or have to step away from the computer, and they work full time. And what you don't want to have happen is you don't want to go into a meeting or have something happening at work that you can't get away from and come back and see that you've taken a devastating hit to your portfolio. So we're usually dealing with quality stocks and quality setups, and that's what you have here. And so if I jump from the daily to the weekly to see if we qualify this move in the weekly, you look at the weekly and you have a fantastic setup. So the stock is in a blue sky breakout, and you've got a tremendous candle here. And what I'd love to see is I'd like to see follow through. Normally, when you have a tremendous candle like this and you get a week 2 follow through, it goes on to trend nicely for you as long as the market is cooperating. Notice the volume here again, like in the daily. This is the highest volume the stock has ever seen in the last 2 years, and we have a high RSI in the weekly. So this qualifies for momentum in the weekly as well as the daily. So to continue to qualify our stock IIVI, we're going to jump to the monthly now. Now remember, in the monthly chart, every single candle represents 1 month. So each candle is 1 month of trading, okay, 30 days. And so you can see the stock has been in a heck of a trend. And if you look down here at the volume, you have great volume. And then you have an RSI that again is over 70. And so what you have is a stock that you've qualified as having momentum in the daily, having momentum and great growth in the weekly, and having momentum and growth in the monthly. So on all 3 time frames, this is a stock that is firing on all cylinders and has a big engine. And so this was a quick look at IIVI. We want to see what we'd like to see is we'd like to see it now bounce off the 4-day EMA and continue this move through 37.55. And if we do break 37.55, which is the top of the flag here, then you look to see what was the distance of the flagpole. And the distance from the flagpole is a good 6 or 7 points. And so then you would look for a price target on this one of probably $43 to $44 a share. So quality setup, qualifying in all 3 time frames. Have a great night.